Imagine waking up one day, opening your YouTube app, then boom, your channel is gone. No warning, no explanation, just gone. This happened to me, and if it has happened to you, don't panic. Hi, my name is Lodokoso, and I want to walk you through step by step on what exactly to do if your channel is moved. Whether it's your fault, a policy strike, or something else, I've got your back. Let's fix this. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and comment what you think or suggesting about this video in your comment section. First, let's understand why YouTube might move a channel. There are three major reasons why YouTube might move a channel, and one is community guidance violation. Community guidance violation is the use of hate speech, like saying one religion or race is inferior than the other, promoting violence against a group or someone else on YouTube, and the use of dehumanizing languages, like calling someone an animal. And the second reason why YouTube must move a channel is the use of graphic content. The use of graphic content is the use of real life killings, like fights, or some fight videos, real life killing, like with blood, accident with blood, child abuse, animal abuse, etc. Another reason can be harassment, like insulting or mocking someone on YouTube, especially creators and public figures, like encouraging viewers to attack someone on YouTube. The use of spam content, like adding spam links in your videos, asking viewers to tap the link to purchase something from you, or to join a secret group or a personal group or something, using both online or in your comment section or in your video. For example, click here, click on the link below to win an iPhone, like commenting on multiple videos, commenting the same thing on multiple videos, like using fake account or both to comment people's videos, and promoting get rich quick on the channel can get your account or channel moved. Sometimes it's a mistake, a bot flags your content wrongly, and don't panic yet. Let's move on to what you can do immediately when your channel gets moved. As soon as your channel gets moved, YouTube will send you an email. This is what you need to do. First thing is to read the email and check the reasons why your channel is moved. Check links for upload and dates. The second thing to do is to take screenshot of everything, and unfortunately I don't have much pictures to show you, but this is what exactly I did to get my channel back after a year. The first thing is to upload a decision. You need to be calm, respectful, and explain if it was a mistake. And if you don't know what to write or your reason for the upload, this is what exactly I wrote for YouTube to review my channel and give me my channel back. I didn't know what exactly I did. I woke up this morning and my channel is moved. No warning, no explanation, nothing. Just moved. Now listen, this is as important as what I've talked about on this channel. Here's what not to do when a channel gets moved. One is don't spam YouTube support. Some people try to spam YouTube support because the channel moves. Sometimes it's anger, or sometimes like something or some mindset, I don't know. But you're just making your matters worse. And secondly, is don't create an account or a channel immediately on the same account. You just have to wait for YouTube to review your appeal, whether you get your channel back or something, before you try any other move. So you just have to wait for your appeal to be reviewed, your channel to be reviewed before you try anything such. And thirdly is don't use aggressive or threatening language in your appeal, like why did you remove my channel? I did nothing, just post and all. No. Those are all not necessary. Just use logic and patience to get your channel back. And the first thing is not to blame people publicly. YouTube sees everything. Emotions can worsen your case, but logic and patience win. If your appeal fails, here's the truth. You can still come back stronger. And here's how: you create a new Gmail account and a new channel. Don't use the banned Gmail account. Don't use that account. Just create a new Gmail, new channel, then create a new channel. Come out with something like brand yourself, a new name, or new something. And put your content out there. Avoid copyright strikes, titles, and thumbnails, and you are good to go. And to make sure this never happens again, follow these practices. One is to follow YouTube community guidance. Avoid using copyrighted content, thumbnails, and titles, especially the sound. You can use YouTube audio for sound and everything. Turn on two-step verification for security, and back up your videos on Google Drive or maybe hard drive or something. Create a WhatsApp group or email list for your fans. Unless if you get a blog or website as a backup app for your channel. Losing your channel is not the end. Some of the biggest creators out there, like their channels got banned, suspended, or even hacked, but they came back better. Why? Because the creator mindset cannot be deleted. Don't let one platform define you. Your voice, your vision is way bigger than YouTube. This is just one chapter. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section what exactly happened to your channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next one.